You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Hello, let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly, and indeed they are to be pronounced the same way. They have very different meanings, very different spellings, those two words, but they are homophones, meaning they have the exact same pronunciation. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. So, both those words are pronounced wait. I know W-E-I-G-H-T is pronounced wait. Essentially, ignore the G and the H. Just say wait, which is, you know, how heavy something is, the weight. And to wait, when you're very, very patient, you just wait. Wait is how you say it, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.